Okay, to show the detection of a communication cable fault, here as I explained, I'm using the 4-channel relay modules on both the sides. The idea is the IDS always poll and request for the BMS about the battery informations. If it fails to get the battery information from the BMS, then it will wait for 30 seconds. If it won't get anything till 30 seconds, then it will do a self check of RS485 transceiver by creating a loopback of this transceiver using this relay, and if it gets whatever it sends, then this transceiver is okay, and it will throw an same set of experiments to the BMS also over Wi-Fi to do the loopback test of RS485 transceiver. If this gets loopback whatever it sends, then this transfer is also okay. Then we can come to know that the cable might be fault. I will show you few examples of how it is doing. So here you are seeing the system is connected with this RS485 communication, and you are getting all the data on the WebUI. When I disconnect the unit, when I disconnect the communication cable, let's wait for 30 seconds. See, the relay got triggered and it did a loopback. Here also it sent to the BMS to do the relay loopback. Here you can see the communication cable fault you are getting. So in the next scenario, I will show you how it will detect whether the transceiver is got broken or not. Here you can see I have connected back the transceiver cable, and you are seeing BMS linked. To show the faulty condition of an RS485 transceiver, I can't do some erroneous activity on the RS485. So just for now, I will just remove the 5-volt power going to the RS485 transceiver, so that the RS485 will not be working. I have removed the 5-volt power going to the RS485 transceiver. So after 30 seconds, again this will check for the testing of an RS485 transceiver, and if it won't get the loopback, then it will throw an RS485 transceiver on the IDS side gone bad. And it will check the battery management system also, whether it might get bad. So here you can see the battery management system is working fine, so it will just throw the IDS transceiver fault. So if I remove the battery management system RS485 power also, then we can get to know. Again it will do the loopback. See, here it is showing both transceiver fault. So in this kind of setup, and the feasibility of an loopback connections in these eval boards, we could able to test where the fault occurs, not just by knowing there is a fault on the communication. We can point out to where the fault is, whether the transceiver is a fault or the cable has a fault.